Hey guys, it's Mrs. Cato. I'm sitting on my patio with my little chick friends, Oreo. And you can see French Fry peeking out a little bit too. Whoop, sorry, French Fry. I thought I would sit out here with my chick friends because it's a beautiful day and read you one of my favorite books by one of my favorite authors. My friends in my class know my favorite author is Mo Willems, and he writes such funny books because my friends know I like to laugh. So this is called, so fitting with the birdies, There is a Bird on Your Head. And I'm not going to put these birdies on my head because I'll tell you a little secret. They poop a lot. And I really don't want that in my hair. Okay, so I'm just going to read you this story. There's our friends, Piggy and Elephant. Did I start too quick? No, I didn't. Okay, here we go, friends. There they are, Elephant and Piggy, sitting there. Here comes Birdie. This one looks just like French Fry. He's headed right for Elephant's head. Ah! And there he is, right on Elephant's head. Piggy. Is someone on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are 2 birds on your head. Uh-oh. What are 2 birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know that they're lovebirds? Because they're making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head. Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. What's happening? What's going to happen in there? Do I have an egg on my head? Piggy's looking for him. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. Oh, what's happening to the eggs, friends? The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Chirp, chirp, cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Piggy wants to know. Well, where are they going to go? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Yeah, ask them. Okay, I will ask them. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. The birds say no problem. It worked. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very, very much. Where did they go? You're welcome. They went to Piggy's head instead. That's so funny. Oh, well, there it is, my friends. There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. This is probably, well, I was going to say this is probably at the library, but I guess you can't go to the library right now. But maybe Mom and Dad can find it on Amazon if you want a copy for yourself. So, say goodbye, my chick friends. Bye, French fry. French fry, Oreo. Bye, guys. Mwah. Oop. All right. I'll see you soon, friends. I miss you.